All right, I think we're gonna fly today.
I guess.
Yeah. I've challenged Abby to see who can keep their plane in the air the longest.
It's like we're going to school, but the planes are our lunch boxes.
Abby, the battery that is closest to the plane is your fully charged one.
Okay.
The other one is not charged. Only got one charged. So today you guys get to join us in flying these planes.
For a second I thought you forgot to put batteries in the transmitter.
No.
Happens to everybody.
You know what? This one has a little bit of foam coloration missing. That's probably an indication of it was mine or yours or someone's.
Nate, you don't have Velcro on my battery.
There's no Velcro on this battery, but I think I have Velcro in the car. Piece of Velcro.
Oh, there's no way. I almost got mine. Who's gonna get it first wins the prize. I got mine. Nate, it's soft in there.
Is it? Did I get the wrong piece?
Yeah, correct piece of Velcro.
Okay, here we go. Yep, ready to fly. Take off. Yeah. Okay, let's walk out here. Come on. Well, this is an airplane that everybody needs to have in their collection. Everybody. Because it's ready to fly and it fits in a little box. You need an airplane just to throw in the air today? This is the one.
All right, my goal today is to hit Nate with my plane.
Pow, pow, pow. Can you guys guess which one is mine? Get out here, Abby. All right, I'm gonna try to fly formation with Abby.
I'm getting lower every time.
Huh?
I'm getting lower every time.
Well, good.
I'm trying to hit you.
I'll smack you out of the air.
I'll smack you. Did I hit you?
That was close. That was very close. Should we touch wingtips, Abby? Oh, I forgot to put my sunglasses on. Oops.
Oh, I forgot to put makeup on. Whoops.
Oops. Okay, time to go out of safe. Gonna do a loop, and now roll. Yeah, safe back on. So these airplanes have this mode called safe, which means you can fly like this. Everybody always says, Nate, I want to see your hands while you fly. Here you go, hands free, it's flying. That's how easy this plane is to fly. You throttle up, you throw it, you use the right stick to steer it a little bit. If the nose starts going down, you pull back on the right stick. It makes the airplane go up. This is a very, very, very easy to fly plane. As you can see, I'm about 45% throttle, close to half.
I'm just floating right now.
Easy to fly.
So I'm only doing right stick.
Look at that. Oh, nice, Abby.
We both backed up.
This is our favorite airplane to fly together. They're just nice and budget friendly and super easy to fly. Really fun. There we go. I'll hold that radio up too, Abby. Okay, let me go try to chase Abby down. Get a little closer. We're back in safe. There's this little switch back here, right? See it? And if it's in the down position, it is safe on. Won't let it go upside down. You throw it all the way in the up position and you can go crazy and do some loops just by pulling back on the right stick. But you have to center the airplane back again. You got to level it when you're not upside down. But if you panic, you hold that back right. Oh, I've been throttling up so much. I think my battery's getting a little bit low. But if you panic, you can hit this panic switch back here and it'll automatically, yours is doing it too, Abby.
What?
It'll automatically level the plane out. This is just the best ready to fly plane on the market. So much technology. When this little green light turns yellow, the battery's getting a little low. Yours is blinking back and forth from green to yellow.
Oh, okay.
So your battery's getting low. You've been cooking the throttle.
I was cooking the throttle.
Yeah, I said, Abby, we need to charge both batteries. She was like, no, these batteries last forever. Here she is, stunt woman, showing off. Let's fly low and get really tight and close to us, because that looks good on the GoPro. Look at this go. Look at this little puppy. This is the updated version too. There was an older version of this plane out there. Whoa, nice, Abby. I love these planes, don't you?
Yeah.
They're fun to fly. Your confidence soars with these things too. You're just low and oh, look at us go. Whoa. The cool thing too, because newer people might ask, oh, good save. You could literally fly 100 of these in the air together. The radio frequencies don't interfere. Oh, look, my light, it's going yellow a little bit. So that's called telemetry. You see my light,
I
Abby?
see.
Yours is yellow too.
Yeah.
So this is a basic level of telemetry, but it does tell us here that the battery's getting low, and then we do get a beep when it gets really low. Right? I thought I heard a beep when we were
I thought I heard a beep. I don't know whose it
These planes are
was.
just awesome. I love them. They have ailerons, they have safe. It is the best ready to fly plane. You guys will have it, I mean, as far as the budget goes.
Why did I just do that?
Can you take back off from the ground? Your battery's low. Oh, give it a hand toss, Abby. Give it a hand toss. You know, there's some bigger planes ready to fly that are easy to fly, but they cost more, right? For the budget, this is the best bang for your buck out there. Highest technology. You don't need any space to fly these either.
Oh, wow, that's close.
I think we could fly these in our front yard, Abby, but it would be pretty tight.
Yeah, it'd be pretty tight. Can definitely fly these at the park though.
Oh yeah. It comes with a little USB charger. So if you've got a cell phone charger with you, you can keep your batteries charged. Batteries for these are cheap, cheap, cheap. We'll have everything linked in the description box below. You guys, you get this airplane completely ready to fly. Oh man. And if you want to pick up some more batteries, we'll have those linked down there too. I think we've got another charger, but you know what? I used the USB chargers. You're practicing rudder, aren't you?
I am. I'm doing some goofy looking turns. Look at it.
Look at you. Are you just doing rudder?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I've been messing with it.
So there's a rudder turn. Most people like to bank and yank, but it's cool to mix in rudder.
It's funny looking.
This is a good plane to practice that with. Oh, I just used a lot of rudder on my turn.
I've been using all rudder.
Nice.
Whoa.
Well, I thought our batteries were going to die just because we were... There's your beep. Time to land. As soon as I said that, I think I'm going to win the challenge.
What challenge? You never
to see who can keep it in the air the longest.
You never told them about that.
I did at the beginning.
What?
I did. I said, we got a challenge.
I'm pushing it then.
Okay,
Look, my battery's it's not red anymore.
Because you throttled back some. Oh, I hear it pulsing. Or was that you?
That was me.
Okay. Well, I'm going to knock you out of the air. That's how I'm going to win. I'm just kidding. These things are very durable though. And they're super lightweight, so they're not going to hurt anyone or anything if you do something like this.
Show off.
I'll get you.
I'll get you. I'll crash you. I'm not scared.
Well, by crashing me, you have to hit my plane, not me.
I'll crash
Oh, I just got it. Oh, you're beeping again.
I am beeping again.
And it's because you had to throttle up some. I'd say it's time to land, Abby. Save that battery's overall health. Nice landing. Nice. And you know what? I win. All right. Do you want to catch it? Catch! Oh, not a catch. You want to try again?
You catch it right on the motor.
No, I didn't. Not that time.
Oh, you don't?
Not that time, no. See, the battery popped out.
Let's do a behind the back catch, okay?
I don't know if I can do that. Oh, my wheel, my landing gear is a little crooked.
I didn't do it. The crash did into the ground.
Right back. Here we go.
Right here.
I got it. Oh, no, I didn't get it. Third time's the charm. And then we'll save the battery. Abby. Don't do that at home, guys. Do not catch your airplanes. You don't want to get chewed up by the prop. The battery's falling out. And the landing gear, what happened was it came down pretty hard on that one side, so we just, this side just needed to push back in, and there, we're back.
We did tape this because you're missing some paint from the tape.
I think that's what happened, yeah. Well, I found the Velcro, so we don't have to tape it anymore. If you guys want to pick one of these up, I highly recommend that you do, no matter what, whether you're a 3D professional pilot or you just are out to fly for fun like me and Abby, this belongs in your collection. We'll have the link in the description box below, and I just thank God for getting us out here and flying together today. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, I always have fun flying these with you. You ready? Hand launch?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Even though Abby's got a low battery. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll have our maiden flight of these together. And that video will be popping up right about now. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!
Yeah!
I did it!